Welcome back, dear friends, to Voices of Hope and Heritage. I'm Peter Wilson, and today we explore a truth woven through every culture, every generation, every heart, the rhythm that connects us. And so, if you are new here, this is the third episode of the Alpha Series, Season 1. Life has a rhythm, not always loud, not always obvious, but steady, pulsing beneath our conversations, guiding our steps, reminding us that we are never walking alone. And that reminds me of Liverpool. Every community carries a rhythm. Every family hands one down. Every person contributes their own beat to the song of humanity. There is a rhythm in generosity, a rhythm in forgiveness, a rhythm in shared stories around the table, a rhythm in the laughter that lifts a weary day, a rhythm in the prayers whispered across generations. When we learn to listen, we discover that the same God who created the heartbeat also created the harmony we feel when lives meet in purpose. Some rhythms are ancient, passed down through elders, traditions, and sacred memory. Others are new, formed when friendships grow, when communities heal, when strangers become family. And so an old saying says, hearts in rhythm build bridges without words. And I say that again, hearts in rhythm build bridges without words. The rhythm that connects us is not about sameness. It is about unity. Many voices, one song. Many stories, one grace. Many steps, one journey, guided by the hand of God. When we lose rhythm, life feels scattered. But when we rediscover it, when we hear the pulse of purpose again, when our place in the greater story is found, connection is not an accident. It is a gift. It is God's way of reminding us that isolation is never the final word. There is strength in shared rhythms. There is healing in community. There is hope in every life that joins its beat with another's. And now I want to pause and invite Jesse to share testimony.
I've noticed something. Whenever I'm going through a hard time, it's not always the big speeches or big moments that help me. Sometimes it's just someone walking beside me, someone listening, someone reminding me I'm not alone. It's like our lives sink for a moment, and suddenly the weight doesn't feel the same. I guess that's what connection really is. Finding people whose rhythm helps you keep moving.
Thank you, Jesse. Romans 12:5 says, so we, though many, are one body in Christ, and individually members one of another. Many rhythms, one body, one God who holds us together. Let's share with a prayer. Father, thank you. Thank you for the gift of community. Thank you for the rhythms that strengthen, for the people who walk with us, and for the harmony you create when hearts come together. Help us to listen for your rhythm, to honor the connections you place in our lives, and to bring our own beat to the song of hope you are shaping in this world. Amen. I want to leave you with this wise saying. It says, when drums beat together, no heart feels alone. And so as I'm about to end this episode, may you rediscover the rhythm that holds you, the community that lifts you, and the God who connects every step of your journey. Until same time next week, stay blessed. And as always, if this has blessed you, then please continue to share and be a blessing to someone else. Have a good day.